Welcome to this tutorial on how to see the Bitcoin chart on Thinkorswim. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to access and analyze the Bitcoin market using the Thinkorswim platform by TD Ameritrade. Whether you are a seasoned trader or a beginner, this tutorial is designed to help you understand how to navigate this powerful tool. First, make sure you have the Thinkorswim application installed on your computer or device. If you haven't yet downloaded it, you can visit the TD Ameritrade website to get the software. Once you have the application open, you'll need to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, navigate to the Charts tab located at the top of the screen. You will see a search bar where you can enter the symbol for Bitcoin. The commonly used symbol for Bitcoin in trading is BTC/USD. Type BTC/USD in the search bar and hit enter. This will load the Bitcoin price chart, allowing you to analyze various timeframes and trends. Once the chart is loaded, you can customize it to meet your analysis needs. You can adjust the time frame by clicking on the settings menu in the top right corner of the chart. Additionally, explore indicators and tools to enhance your trading strategy. Remember to save your chart settings for future reference. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.